Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got a Lovelula unboxing. So yeah, I'll just actually cover up my address, but you see the logo is Lovelula. Lovelula is a natural beauty box, and I'll just get the information up on my phone. So it's a monthly Lovelula natural beauty box. I think I might have already said that. Right, okay, so 1 month is £19.95. A recurring one, which is the one that I get, is £14.95. 3 months is £42.60, and you will save 5% if you go for the 3-month plan one. 6-month one is 10%, which is £80. 12-month one, £152, which you will save 15% if you go for that one. And they also ship international, so if you are like in America or somewhere like that, you can get this box. And it says you can also have a one-off box, which is £24.95. 3 months one is £52.50. 6 months is £100. 12 months is £200. If you want to skip forward, I'll put some timestamps in as well, because I'm just going to go on about the box, but I've already done that. Right, so it just is Lovelula, and that's it. There you go. I'll show you the web page. Yeah, you just go to lovelula.com. I'm thinking it's .com, or is it .uk.com? Right, so this is the June one, and let's just unbox it. Right, so I need my scissors. Sorry for that. I forgot my scissors. Right, I don't know why they put tape all over the bottom of it. So here it is. Right, take off that. You'll see the contents of it. Right, so, ooh, it looks like an interesting box. Looks like a lot of skincare. Right, so the first one is you get a little Lovelula leaflet, which is got the Facebook on it. Then you get a Lovelula exclusive beauty box, 25% off, and it just says simply use the code BBJune19 and you will get 25% off the brands that's in this box. It said valid until the 10th of July 2019, and it just says you've got like from London, Natrogen, Mascara. Sorry if you can hear a noise. Right, okay, so then we've got Mascara Organic Skincare, which is a weightless summer milk, which is SPF 20. You see that? So it's, there we go. There, right, so we're just going to get into the items. Oh wow, so we had one of these products in last month's box. We got the body scrub. So this is the hair conditioning treatment, and it's by Ayumi. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. Well, their body scrub is. So that is that. And then we got a Natrogen. What are you? You are a Natrogen. No. An eyeliner, I think it may be. I'm not sure if it's going to pick that up. So that is that. Never heard of the company Natrogen. Never heard of them. So then the next item is a Hydro Plump Anti-Pollution. So this, it's, I'm just going to show you it there. Is that going to pick it up? I'm not sure if it is. Right, so it's an anti-pollution hydro plump serum. No idea what that is at all. So I'll have to read the leaflet on that one. And I think that this might be my last item. So this is a mascara, and it's by Natrogen. Right, so we'll start with this one. It says that this is a high tolerance natural Natrogen Lengthening Mascara. It contains 98% ingredients of natural origin. So all of the ingredients in this mascara is natural products, like it says of raspberry pips, rich in M3 and M6, and seaweed extract, rich in silica and paraben free. Yeah, so that is that way. We'll start off with this. So this is worth, what are you worth? It actually doesn't tell me. But this box, they usually have a price thing on the box. Oh, they do. The total of this month's box is worth £48. I will put a price on how much this product is if I can find it on the screen somewhere. It will be around. So this is £48 this box. I was going to say £48 this mascara, but it won't be £48 for the mascara. Right, so that is the mascara. Oh wow, it looks like, you know, it's going to see it. So there we go. Maybe if I shake it around, I'll do something like that. Right, so let's just have a little look at this. Oh, feels like a thick consistency. Right, so there it is there. Might show a little better. So let's just have a... Right, so that is like a deepish coloured black. It's jet black. I'm just going to show it, but it's really a deep coloured black. So I don't know whether I like it or not until I use it. So we will see if I like it. If that's a like, it'll go on my likes. If it's a chuck it, it'll go in a chuck it video, because I'm going to do a video on that. So then we got this, which is the... Oh, I've got a little bit of information on about that. So this is the... What are you? Madara? No, you're not Madara. You are the... It doesn't have it on here actually. Oh yeah, it does. I couldn't see it. You are the mascara. This is a high performance mascara, and it's hypoallergenic. The award-winning duo is suitable even for sensitive eyes. Apply the mascara by itself for a more natural look. With the pencil, to define the eye or build a coverage, and buff out with a brush to create a smoky eye look. Wow, so there we go. Right, so then we got this, which is the eyeliner. Right, so this is like, it's like a jet, not a jet coloured, it's like a greeny coloured, is it? Oh no, it's jet black. It's really jet black. Can you see it? Yeah, it is jet black. So it's nice coloured. I do like that. Then the next item is what we're going to go on about is a hair conditioning treatment. So this is the Ayumi Intensive Hair Conditioning Treatment. So this is to reduce dry, damaged hair with the intensive treatment. Enriched with coconut, avocado and vitamin E and C, the formula also nourishes the scalp. Right, so that is that one. I didn't tell you about this one, did I? Yeah, I did, because it's like a duo. I did tell you about that one. It's like a duo with that one. It's confusing me, this box this month. Right, so this is the hair conditioning treatment. I'm just going to see what the directions is. It says apply as an intensive conditioner in the shower and leave for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Alternatively, for very damaged hair, apply to wet hair before shampooing. Leave for 5 minutes, rinse, and then shampoo, condition as normal. So it's just a normal conditioner that you would actually use, and probably it's like leave it on for 5 minutes, you know, when you're in the shower and you're listening to music. I don't know whether you listen to music in the shower, but I do. I have my shower radio on and like I'm away with the tunes and listening away. So yeah, 5 minutes, easily done. This is also vegetarian approved, so it's pretty good. I don't know. Oh, it's made in the UK. Did not know that. Right, let's just have a look at it. Oh, it has like like a nutty sort of scent to it. I could just scent coconut straight away. But it also has avocado in there. It also has lotus in there, and it also has added vitamin E in there and lilac as well. But I straight away got that scent of the coconut, so it's like a wow, straight to the coconut scent. So I like that. That's pretty good. Again, I will put the price down somewhere on the screen because it doesn't have it on here. So we are going to go on about this item next, which is the pollution from Pollution Anti-Pollution Hydro Pump Serum. Use this ultralight fragrance free serum morning and night to restore and maintain hydration while strengthening the skin's resilience to pollution induced aging. This all natural complex rich in plant-based antioxidants, adaptogens and silk reveals a natural healthy looking plump and fresh complexion. Right, so you would use that morning and night. Right, so it's to like plump up the skin area. So let's just have a try of that. And let's just see what I think of it. So it comes in one of these dropper bottles, which I like. And I'm just going to apply it to my back of my hand. Because also you can do a skin test to see if it's going to be okay for you there. It has no scent at all, so that's really, really good and straight to work. Like, that's like super moisturized my hand. I don't like a lot of scented moisturizers on my face, so that would be best off. Maybe so you could pop it around your eye area on a morning to revitalize those eyes, take down the bags, and that will help your complexion a lot better. So I'm probably on the nighttime because nighttime creams work really good, but this is an oil, so it's going to get to work much faster than the cream. Right, okay, so what do I think of this month's box? I quite like it. There hasn't been many of these Lovelula boxes that I've hated. I love skincare, so I actually will carry on getting this box. I actually like it. So if you liked my review on this box, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next unboxing. Oh, by the way, I've got a giveaway going for the glossy box. So yeah, you have to comment on that video. That competition will end at the end of June. So like, please, share, subscribe. Bye.